Hello.
It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages, Junior.
Okay, still on Garbage is 8, and this is a very short one. It's not going to be a longer one. Okay, so let's just move straight to the class. Our first one will be sit down. That is tashin. Tashin. Then sit here is tabie. Tabie. Sit there. Tajeme. Come and sit down. Ba tashin. Ba tashin. Come and sit down. Then get up is teshin. Teshin. Okay. Get out from here. You just say tebie. Get out from there. Tejeme. If you want to say stand, stand again, say that's damomoshi. Damomoshi. Stand here. Damomobie. Stand there. Damomojeme. Come and stand. Badamoshi. Badamoshi. Badamobie. Come and stand here. Yadamojeme. Go and stand there. If you want to say clap, clap is tra odin. Tra odin. Clap for me. Tra odin ohame. Tra odin ohame. Clap for him or her. Tra odin ohale. Let's learn how to say a child in Ghana. That is gbeke. Gbeke. So tra odin ohan gbeke. Clap for the child. Tra odin ohan gbeke. Clap for the child. Then we have this word me. Me translates as wait. And me wait for me. Me wait for me. Me mebo, I'm waiting for you. Mele, wait for him or wait for her. Womele, let's wait for him or let's wait for her. Wome ame, let's wait for them. It is finished, it said as eta. Eta. It is done. Agbena. Agbena, it is done. Okay. You tell someone, Minisane. That's to say, what's your issue? Minisane, what's your issue? Then we have Miniji Onagba. What's your worry? Or what's your worry? Miniji Onagba. So Nagba means worry. So Miniji Onagba, what's your worry? Miniji Enagba, what's his worry or what's her worry? Miniji Enagba. You want to say mind your business. You say ye Oshin Asane. Ye Oshin Asane. What's your business? Ye Oshin Asane. Then you want to tell someone stop it. You say pa. We learned this in Ghana basis 4. It has come back again. Pa. That is stop it. Stop what you are doing. You say formo. Formo or panoni ofio. So either panoni ofio or formo. Both translate as stop what you are doing, but it seems the former is short, so we mostly prefer to say the former over the panonofio. Panonofio is the longer, especially the former is just a simplified form. So former simply means pa non ofio, all summed into one word, former. Okay. Now we have a child, back to a child. We have Beken and B. The difference between Beken and B means Beken is a child, just in general, maybe a child person, someone's child. But when you say B, you are personalizing this child to yourself. So when you say B, then we mean this child belongs to you. But when you say Gbeke, this child doesn't belong to you. It's just anybody person. So maybe Obi, your child, but you can't say Ogbeke because Gbeke is more personal. So that one you can't personalize it. So Abi, his child. We can call a certain child. So let's learn this. Lebi is morning. So lebi ne this morning. Shani afternoon. Shani ne this afternoon. Gbeke evening or night. Gbeke means evening or night. So gbekene, this evening or this night. Manke, midnight. Manke, midnight. Then nyonte. Nyonte is dawn. Nyonte, dawn. Then we have mene, that's today. Wo, tomorrow. Nye, yesterday. Nyese, day before yesterday. Wose, day after tomorrow. Ebabienmene, he came here today. Ebabienye, he came here yesterday. Ebabienye, she came here day before yesterday. Mababiewo, I'll come here tomorrow. Mababiewo se, I'll come here tomorrow next. Okay. Then we have gbi. Gbi means a day. Gbi, a day. Then be means time. Gbi is day. Be means time. Then we have this interesting word. Jane echele meaning daybreak or it is morning. Jane echele. Jane ena, sunset or it is night time or it is evening time. Jane ena. So what to tell someone, Jane ena, it is night time or it is evening time. Okay. How do you say a year in Ghana? A year is said as afi. Afi. So afi means a year. Afi. Okay. Now there is this lesson in the Ghana language that is telling the time in Ghana. So in telling the time, you are going to learn how to say day, year, week. Okay. And now you are going to build on what we just learned. So telling the time in Ghana, when you search for it, yeah, you will find it, and it's a very concise lesson. Yeah. Telling the time too may likely come somewhere next year, but for now, just doing some minor updates. Okay, updating some of the videos on this channel so that the old ones would be replaced. Not all the old ones though. Some of them I'm not sure are replaceable because the informations are so detailed that if I try to replace them, I may end up corrupting the information. So for some of them I won't touch them, but those that I can definitely update, I'll update them. Alright, so we shall pause here, and Ghana Basics 9 and 10 will soon be on your screen. Thank you very, very much. Without much time we waste, all I have to say is yeah, you are done.
It's Genesis on the beat.